this sound create unnecessary this anxiety and fear to the public, and they are using the siren. That is, the ambulances are using the siren unnecessarily. They are just using untimely. That is, when they go simply on the road, they also use the siren, whether they carry the patient or not. So, while carrying the patient, if there is a block on the way, they can use the siren. But otherwise, it is not necessary to use the siren, especially during this hour, during this time of the COVID-19 situation. So, we have issued order not to use this siren, over and above this, the road is almost clear now. So there is nobody is allowed to go out. They have to stay at home. So nobody is coming out on the road. So road is almost clear. So they can drive comfortably without any disturbance from anybody. But if there is crowded sometimes, if there is any disturbance, they can use the siren. So I request all this ambulance users, drivers, and owners of the private clinic as well as the government hospitals not to use the siren unnecessarily.